settled in the traditional land, like all of us are here. We are really touched to hear the story of the state of Tripura. But by our association today with you all, we have seen your plight, and we are all of us present in the ties, as well as people who have come from various corners of the northeastern states, convey our solidarity with you in your fight for a respectable indigenous inhabitant place in the state of Tripura. We have heard a lot about the indigenous people of the Tripura people, but today is not the day for me to speak in detail of all that. Last, I came here on invitation of our leader, Mr. Chedia, who is the convener of this Indigenous Peoples Forum of Northeast, to come and participate and to share with our solidarity with you all who are present here today. As we all know, the indigenous people are the original settlers of a particular place, like Tripura, like in other seven sisters of the northeastern states. Each and every indigenous tribe, people have their own customs. They have their own usages, practices, and they dwell in the land where they are born, and for which we call it the indigenous people. After the independence, we have seen a lot of movement of the rest of the people. We have seen the indigenous people being displaced in many places. It is disheartening to say that at this rate, the indigenous people will lose their own identity. As we have seen just now the traditional dance of the Tripuris, we do have such kind of dances. We do practice our own indigenous tribal systems, which was prevalent from the beginning of the forefathers. We have the similarities, we have the same outlook, we have the same kindness and accommodative spirit in our heart. We have the same mentality of truthfulness, honesty, and we have all broad-minded approach to all sections of the people. I have come here to convey that we are ever ready to come and join you in your struggle for your peaceful existence, your peaceful stay in the state of Tripura. I am speaking here as a person, but I am sure all those people cast who have come here today have come prepared to share the solidarity with you for the plight that you are overcoming now. We will look forward that your stay in Tripura, the Rajas who have stayed over here, the tribal Rajas who have stayed over here, will be redeemed in days to come. However, I would suggest you to have a strong confederation of all the people in the state of Tripura. All are tribals, but within the tribals, we have different sections, different tribes. Each tribe again have different clans. I would therefore suggest you to have a common platform of all the tribal people in the state of Tripura. You should form an organization where the community in total has to have a kind of forum where you can encourage your difficulties. You should have the coming up generation the students' organization, which will be the backbone of the tribal people in such places. You should have a formidable woman wing who should be in a position to deliver the message to all the people in the state as well as to all people wherever they migrate for their generation.